Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so happy you're here today.
Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you're having a wonderful day.
Today, we're going to have a fun English conversation about hobbies.
That's right. If you're learning English, don't worry. We will speak slowly, clearly, and use simple words.
So grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's practice English together.
Sounds great. Let's get started.
Hi Sarah, it's great to see you again. How are you today?
Hi, Ali. I'm doing really well. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm fantastic. I had a great morning.
Oh, really? What made your morning so great?
Well, I woke up early, made a fresh cup of coffee, and watched the sunrise. It was so peaceful.
Wow. That sounds like a perfect morning.
It really was. What about you? How was your morning?
Mine was nice too. I made pancakes for breakfast.
Pancakes? No way. Did you make them yourself?
Yes, I did. They weren't perfect, but they were delicious.
That's what matters. Homemade food always tastes better.
I think so too. I even added fresh strawberries on top.
Now, you're making me hungry.
Maybe next time I'll make some for you.
I'll definitely say yes. Talking about hobbies, Sarah, can I ask you something?
Of course. Go ahead.
If you have a free Saturday with nothing to do, how do you usually spend your time?
That's a good question. I usually read a book, listen to music, or take a walk in the park.
That sounds relaxing. Which hobby makes you the happiest?
Reading, without a doubt. Once I start a good book, I forget about everything else.
Really? Has that ever happened?
Oh, yes. One time I was reading such an exciting mystery novel that I completely forgot about dinner.
That's funny. So the book was more important than food?
For one evening. Yes,
That's true love for books.
I guess you're right.
Sarah, do you only enjoy reading? Or do you have other hobbies too?
Oh, I have quite a few hobbies.
Really? Tell me more.
I also enjoy cooking.
That's wonderful. What do you like to cook?
I love making pasta, homemade pizza, and chocolate cookies.
Wow. Now I'm hungry again.
You seem to get hungry very quickly.
I do. Especially when someone talks about good food.
That's funny.
Do you cook? Every day.
Not every day, but I cook several times a week.
Who taught you how to cook?
My mother did. She is an amazing cook.
That's nice. Did you enjoy cooking when you were a child?
Yes. I loved helping her in the kitchen.
What did you do?
I washed vegetables, mixed ingredients, and sometimes tasted the food.
Ah. So, you were the official food tester.
What about you? Can you cook?
A little.
Only a little?
Well, I can make eggs, sandwiches, and grilled chicken.
That's a good start.
I'm still learning.
Have you ever burned your food?
Oh, yes.
Really? Tell me what happened.
One day, I was making toast. Then, I started watching videos on my phone.
Let me guess.
Yes. I forgot about the toast.
Was it black?
It was completely black.
Did you eat it?
Absolutely not.
Good decision.
My kitchen smelled like smoke for hours.
That's hilarious. Sports and exercise. Besides cooking, do you enjoy sports?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy playing basketball.
How often do you play?
Usually every Saturday morning.
Do you play with friends?
Yes, we have a small group.
That sounds like fun.
It is. We laugh a lot, even when we lose.
Winning isn't everything.
Exactly. Spending time together is more important.
I agree.
Do you play any sports?
Not really.
Then, how do you stay active?
I enjoy walking.
Walking is excellent exercise.
Every evening I walk around my neighborhood.
About 40 minutes.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Sometimes,
Podcasts?
yes.
That's a great way to learn something new.
Exactly. I always learn interesting ideas. Learning new skills.
Is there a hobby you want to learn?
Yes,
What is it?
I'd love to learn painting.
Really?
I've always admired beautiful paintings.
Have you ever tried?
Only once.
How did it go?
Honestly,
Yes?
my tree looked like broccoli.
That's actually funny. That's actually funny.
My family laughed too.
Did that stop you?
No, it made me laugh. And I wanted to improve.
That's the perfect attitude.
Everyone starts as a beginner.
Exactly.
What new hobby would you like to learn?
I'd love to play the guitar.
Why? The guitar.
I love music, and I've always wanted to play my favorite songs.
That's a wonderful goal.
Maybe one day I'll perform for my friends,
I'm sure they'll enjoy it.
even if I make a few mistakes.
Of course. Learning is all about making mistakes and improving.
You're right.
Nobody becomes perfect on the first day.
That's very true. You know, talking about hobbies makes me realize something.
What's that?
Life is much more enjoyable when we spend time doing things we love.
I couldn't agree more.
Hobbies help us relax,
They help us learn.
and they help us meet wonderful people.
Exactly. That's one of the best things about having hobbies.